Hello and welcome to Arabian Reseller. My name is Chris Fernando, and today we are speaking to Khwaja Saifuddin, who is the Senior Sales Director at Western Digital. So we'll talk about the storage market in this region and the outlook for 2021. So Saifuddin, thanks for speaking to Arabian Reseller.
It's a pleasure, Chris, and thanks for engaging with us.
Thank you. So we can start with a brief on the biggest change you've seen in the regional data storage landscape. What kind of changes have you seen this year?
So, Chris, this year we all accept and agree has not been a normal year. We have seen challenges which were never there for us as humanity. And it is not a regional specific or a country specific thing. It was a global phenomena which we had to accept and circumvent the challenges. So if you look at it, what everyone was saying, that we need to maintain physical distancing and still get connected. So for us, it was not social distancing as people were saying, but more of a physical distancing, as I mentioned, and the connection had to go on. So that was the biggest challenge, that now all the houses, they became schools. In different rooms, there were classrooms going on. In different rooms, there were offices going on. So the biggest challenge for digital side of the world was to stay connected, make your life go on as normal. And in that, if you see, the most important role was played by data, because everything now was around data and connectivity. That how we create that data, how we share that data, how we access that data. So data creation was primarily the most important thing. Secondary was your bandwidths and connectivities, that how to stay connected and keep on working. And that's where the biggest change happened, that now everyone was creating data, accessing and sharing data, from a school-going child to the entrepreneurs or the workforces. And that's where the need of data went up tremendously. From a simple data storage solution like a USB to a micro SD, going up to the enterprise's needs of additional data centers, additional storage capacities. So that was the biggest change which we saw this year.
Okay. In terms of SSDs, have you seen a major uptake when it comes to, say, laptops, for example?
Of course, and we saw not only a major uptake on adoption of SSDs, we also saw a major revamp on the knowledge of what SSD an individual needs. And that's why if you see from our offering, we don't have just one solution fit all. We have the greens, which are for the entry-level usage. We have the blue, which is for compute, and black SSDs, which are there for gaming and extreme needs. And that was the major need, that today all the laptops, they came into use. People started upgrading them, getting them into use, because initially we used to have one device per home. Now every individual needed a device. So all the devices which were somewhere in a drawer or thrown somewhere, all of a sudden became important, and everything had to be given a new leash of life. So from a channel perspective, our partners also saw a good uptake on upgrading old laptops, and upgrading your laptop from an old hard drive to an SSD is the fastest and the best way to give it a new life.
Okay. In terms of the trends that you might have seen in the portable storage capacity, category, what sort of trends have you seen this year?
So on portable storage, initially portable storage was to carry your data with you. But in these trends where travel and movement was restricted, portable storage became the ideal mean of taking a backup. And that's where our My Passport products, they came in as the ideal solution, because we offer a free backup software in it. So it's not as if an individual had to go out and buy another backup software or try to copy the files. It was just a one-click operation. And that's been the initiative from our side as well, to hear the pain points and to come up with a solution rather than a product for our consumers.
During the pandemic, we've seen a lot of new, content creators coming into the market. On-the-go content creators, people staying at home, producing content as well. Portable storage. When you look at content creators, has that changed a lot in terms of demand?
Tremendously. And that's where we see our products like the G-Tech, which is there for the media and entertainment industry, where people need to render a lot of content, they need to add the effects, they need to do editing. So they need the fastest possible solution because the files are very high in size. And all of a sudden, if you see even on the social media platforms, now gone are the days where the people used to post static pictures and then their captions and comments. Now everything is coming out against around a video, because naturally you satisfy more senses and the messaging is much more richer than a static picture.
You mentioned the WD Black, storage solutions, the products. You recently announced new product portfolio as well. Can you give us a brief on the new products that were launched, and what kind of strategies do you have for a go-to-market for those products?
So, as I mentioned, our WD Black products, which you mentioned, they're targeted towards a gamer. And when we see a gamer, it's not an avid person who's spending 10 to 12 hours a day gaming on a PC or a console. It's anyone and everyone who has a passion for gaming, who has a passion for playing with their friends over an internet or through a medium of gaming. For them, the most critical thing is how long it takes to load up the game, how long it takes for your action to get implemented. And that's where the storage device is the most critical part. That your friends are waiting for you to load a game because you have a drive which is not apt for gaming, or you're doing something but it takes a longer time for you to fire versus your competition and your gamers. And then the other most important thing was space, that how many games can you save on a console or a PC. So that was a problem areas which all the gamers were facing. And we came out with the solutions to those. And the latest launch was the second phase of the product. So we came out with our SN750, which was the fastest SSD. Now we upped it on Gen 4 platforms to SN850. We even have external storage products, which are both from a desktop and a portable thing. So we have the D10s, the P10. External storage solutions. We even launched a D50, which is a dock in which it does away with all the issues of gaming laptops, predominantly if you see, because connectivity, the amount of ports which could be connected, and especially people who are playing with a Mac, they had limitations on the keyboards, the mice, monitors, what all things they could connect. And even if they wanted to expand with this dock, they can expand it using a daisy chain, and it connects through Thunderbolt. So there is no lag, there is no lack of speed in connectivity between your different appliances. The feedback has been tremendous, especially around the new gaming console launches, which happened in the near past. And gaming, if we see, even in the Middle East, had been an undercurrent. So nobody was looking at it with a lot of focus, but with the growth of TAM, the growth of needs. And again, we heard from the consumers what were their pain points and how we, as the world's largest storage vendor, can help them solve their pain points. So our latest launch is a solution of our hearing them and coming out with the best possible solutions which a gamer can get at the moment on the planet.
Okay. In terms of technology, NVMe is something which is picking up a lot of steam in this market. What kind of trends do you see for that kind of interface?
So NVMe, if you look at it, is the latest technology. It is way faster than the SATA ports or the SATA connectivity which we had. Of course, NVMe is going to be the future, and it's just a matter of adoption from the other host device manufacturers as well as the consumer side, that naturally the size is smaller, the speed is many times faster than an SSD or a SATA solution. And so it is going to be the way we're going to be looking at the future.
In terms of safety and security market, you already have the Purple range of devices. for surveillance products. What kind of demand have you seen in this year, and what kind of demand do you foresee for the next year?
So for this year, in between, because of the COVID situations, the installations were put on hold. So yes, the market was slightly slumped because nobody wanted outside people to come and install the cameras and the devices. But as the restrictions ease out, we have seen an uptake, and that uptake especially on our high capacity drives. Because if you see from our 14 terabyte and above, the biggest feature which we give is that these drives are AI enabled. So for corporates, entities who want to run artificial intelligence softwares, or they want to do software-based decision making, these drives are a critical part of it because they enable, they have been tested and manufactured to enable these artificial intelligence applications, which in a conventional hard drive or other alternatives you don't find. So going forward, as machine learning is growing more and more, smart city implementation, security, surveillance are becoming critical. These features and benefits which come around the WD Purple are becoming more and more critical for the users.
In terms of WD as a brand, what kind of key learnings have you had this year, and what kind of focus points do you have for 2021?
So for us as Western Digital, the key learnings was that we are much more important than people would think. And I think so that has been a realization to any user and everyone who was creating digital content, that that content being accessible later on is much more valuable because those times don't come back. We were categorized as one of the essential services in many parts of the world where we were doing manufacturing. So which was again a pat on the back that we are one of those essential services which are needed for mankind to keep functioning. 5G adoption and implementation is a key thing going forward in 2021. The amount of data which is going to be getting transferred is going to be many, many times over than what we had seen over a 4G network. So all the new technologies and the new solutions which are coming in, we are looking forward to them in 2021 because we have the ideal solution to fit in that environment and give the consumer the experience for which all these things are coming in.
Thank you, Saifuddin, for speaking to Arabian Reseller. It was nice having you with us.
Thank you, Chris.